Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how we can make Ramzan Mubarak post in Canva. First, we will search for Instagram post in Canva search bar. Then we will select a blank post. Then in Element tab, we will search for Ramzan themes. Then we have selected a mosque theme in the background. Then we will write Ramzan Mubarak at middle and add some lamp for the elements section for free. Here is the final result. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe our video.